Today I'm just gonna hold Sparkler, that's it. Just that my Wendy and Will just sparkled it up for me. Now Mike's sorting the fireworks out, so here's the Sparkler. Let's write my name.
Is he alright?
No,
The one's down there.
Or La, Ra, or O. And
No, don't blame me.
How
many of those are there?
yeah.
I don't know.
And oh, that be whoa, yeah. Come and I go into
Jude!
Careful, that's getting quite near your hand. Jude!
What's the dance for?
Say bye then.
Bye bye. See you next time.